after raising all these fish, it's grow up a lot. Hi everyone, greeting from some inspiring go travel and event as well as lifestyle vlog from Cambodia. So today is a little bit more special. We are still at home but still have something to show. So can you guess what is it? Yeah, I'm in a very narrow place at my house. It's just like a corridor. Okay, so let's see who at my back. What's he's doing? Can you guess? No, right? Okay, that is Karona. So he's now cleaning up our small pond. Actually, this is a lot of swimming pool, but of course not swimming pool. But we did keep some fish here. It's just like a Guppy freshwater aquarium fish. So this is just our hobby at the beginning, but right now I think we got some market and now we could already harvest something, so we got the return from our investment. Okay, let's take a tour all together. Okay, this is like our house, and on this small corridor actually it's just nothing. A lot of people just leave it for nothing, but I try to do something to make it nice actually. So we have this and we build up this pond.
Yeah.
You can see it's very nice actually. It's even good for men. So as you can see here, we don't need a big space. Actually, it's just a small corridor left from our house wall to the fence wall, and this is around 1 meter, and the length is around 8 meters long. No, not that much. Around 6 or 7 meters long. So from this, we just build up some concrete to stop the water from getting out, from draining out, to keep the water here. And then we just bring the fish in. So every day we just feed it with its food, fish food. Fish food is really very cheap. It's $1 you can feed for a few months. So really small investment too. It's a freshwater aquarium fish. It's a type of cookies. Okay, so just a small piece of advice or recommendation from me. During this pandemic time, we understand that everything is really bad. We cannot do very much. But even we stay at home, we are a little bit smart. We can just do something, and one day it getting back. For example, for this pond, at the beginning I just want to have some water to cool out our house, and we want to have some fish. Which this kind of fish, they're going to eat the egg of the mosquitoes. So to protect our house and as well as to kill the to reduce the number of mosquitoes to our house. But after feeding, after raising all these fish, it's grow up a lot, and then just my neighbors said, how is your fish? I said, oh, so many. I don't know what to do. Maybe I'm going to cook it one day. But I said, oh really? Oh, why not make a selling? I said, why not make a deal? Just so we did make a deal. For the deal at this time, we don't sell at a very expensive. We just only 200 euros, so it's very little money. But they just take out, they just make an order of 3,000 fish, so you can multiply by 200 years, so that is 600,000, right? 600,000 is around one how much, $150. So that is not really a small amount, that is really something, really money. So actually this is very cheap. Normally the market price for this kind of fish, our friend said, is around 500 real, which is around 10 cent, 10 something cent. So that is not bad. As I told that there's around 10,000 of fish here, so you can multiply. So if we can do now, is not late, I think, because for this kind of freshwater aquarium fish or candy, other species that is more expensive. This one is the cheapest one. Actually, this one is cheapest one. At the moment, the market is not really good because the hotel is not opening, and a lot of business with construction that they have small pond, or even they have like water to keep the plant in. They do need this kind of fish to at least to reduce the number of mosquitoes from breeding or from hatching. So this fish, they like eating the egg of mosquitoes so much. So but soon, I think when the pandemic ends, or maybe at the end of this year, when the tourism start coming back to Cambodia, and then the hotel will start open again, so the demand of this kind of fish really raising up. Okay, at the moment we are Corona is cleaning our fish pond after we have harvested for the first time. So this water actually is very healthy, because we make it dirty because of the leaf from the jackfruit from the above. Okay, these are the jackfruit, and this is the jack tree from our neighbor. So the leaf, when they die, they drop into our pond. It's not really bad, it's not spoil the water, but it brings the vitamin to the water and to make our fish healthier. At the beginning we just put only around 50 small fish, small discover fish, but after like a few months we got, I think, around 10,000 fish at least here. We just saw more than 2,000 fish today. So, but still a lot more. So today we are cleaning up the fish. We make the drainage and drain all this water out, and then later on we will bring a new water in our pond. You can see a lot of fish still, even the water is very dark, very dirty, but you can see still a lot of fish getting out. Soon they will get a new water, fresh, so they will be very happy. Okay, so we have already cleaned up our pool, our pond. So now we are coming at the back to close down, to turn down the drainage, and also turn up the tap to get the water into the pond again. So yeah, let's turn on together. Excited to see the waterfall soon. Okay, you can see that now the waterfall is falling into our pond beautifully, and Karna also excited. He enjoying his work so much. Okay, and in the next 2 weeks we will be about to sell our fish again. So yes, just our last message that please make yourself busy at home, and one day you will get something back from your work, like us from this funny thing, having fun with it, and now we got into cash for our family. Thank you everyone for following our YouTube channel, and thanks for subscribing, like and comment. See you on the next video. Have a good day. Please stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.